Today we have chapter 21, The Lion Becomes the King of the Beasts. This is for The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. The first vocabulary words are actually bogs and marshes. After climbing down from the China Wall, the travelers found themselves in a disagreeable country full of bogs and marshes and covered with tall, rank grass. So a bog is wet, marshy land, and a marsh is waterlogged land. So this is kind of a bog or a marsh. You've got kind of a very shallow lake, and then you've got just some water around that makes it really muddy. Next is tiresome. But here the country seemed wilder than ever, and after a long and tiresome walk through the underbrush, they entered another forest, where the trees were bigger and older than any they had ever seen. So tiresome means wearying. So just they've been walking for a really long time. So I put a picture of these people hiking. So they're doing now, but it can get really tiring. And just kind of wants to take a break. So they're seeing the same thing over and over again as well. Next is snarling. But the lion explained that the animals were holding a meeting, and he judged by their snarling and growling that they were in great trouble. And snarling can mean threatening words. It can also mean and sometimes people can snarl when they talk. So if they're really mad, they can have gritted teeth and they can when they're talking. So that could be the threatening words, but they're kind of almost growling them out or yelling them out with gritted teeth, not very happy. Our final word is slender, but its head was joined to the pudgy body by a neck as slender as a wasp's waist. And so slender means thin. So if you've got a thick tree trunk, here's a thin pencil. So the pencil would be slender. Well, those are our words for chapter 21, and we'll see you soon with chapter 22.